And stock markets shrug off US tariff threat. Indian markets seem resilient despite tariff fear escalations. So even after Donald Trump's renewed tariff threat, stock markets in India shrug off the US tariff threat. The Indian markets seem to be resilient despite the tariff fear escalation. The Nifty 50 opened 20 basis points lower. Sensex opened 60 basis points lower, but Indian markets still seem resilient despite the tariff threat that was received yesterday with Donald Trump saying that there will be substantial tariffs on India if India does not stop buying oil from Russia. But the stock markets have shrugged off the US tariff threat, and the markets seem resilient despite the renewed tariff threat from Donald Trump. And Business Today's Karishma is now joining us with more details on this. Karishma, the stock markets seem resilient and are not impacted a lot even after Donald Trump's tariff threat. Give us more details.
Yeah, well, it looks like, if you see the numbers, you see the opening has been really flat on Sensex, and with Nifty 50, the impact has been extremely lower, per se, of about 20 basis points. And I'm sure market analysts would say that this very flat start has been because of various other reasons, maybe because of the bank earnings or the fact that the RBI MPC is in a decision mode when it comes to a further interest cut or hike. Looks like Indian investors are pretty confident of the fact that this could just be a storm before the calm, and it's just a wave that will pass. And this could also be because of the kind of reactions that have been coming in since April when it comes to the tariff topic, and since Donald Trump had started imposing. So there was it was a wave which that kind of signified sometimes something happening and then being taken away. So I think Indian markets have reacted resilient on this note that looks like it's just a vulnerable situation and it will pass, and they're confident of the fact that the Indian government will be able to deal with this.
Absolutely, Karishma. Thank you so much for all those details. So no significant impact on the Indian markets even after Donald Trump's tariff threat.